जल प्रवाह पावितस्तरी केवलं विलम्बिताम्बुजङ्गमण्डमट्टमट्टमन्निनादमट्टमर्वयं चकार चण्डताण्डवं करोतु न शिव शिवं शिवं जटाकटाः सम्भ्रमभ्रमन्निं पुनर्जगन्ति लोलवीचि वल्लरी विराजमानबन्धुगच्छलल्ललाटमट्टभावते किशोरचन्द्रशेखरे रतिप्रतीक्षणम्
शंभुगिरीश यज्ञमय ईश माधिरजनीश भस्मतनसार नेत्र विशाल उग्र विकराल रुद्र महाकाल रूप ओंकार शंभुगिरीश यज्ञमय ईश माधिरजनीश भस्मतनसार नेत्र विशाल उग्र विकराल रुद्र महाकाल रूप ओंकार महेश अविनाशी आशुतोष के भाती बोले भंडारी विश्वनाथ कैलाश विहारी महेश अविनाशी आशुतोष के भाती बोले भंडारी हर हर
जल प्रवाह पावितस्थले कलेवलम्ब्यलम्बितां भुजङ्गतुङ्गमालिकान्तमड्डमड्डमड्डमन्निनादवड्डमर्वयं चकार चण्डताण्डवं तनोतु नः शिव शिवं जटाकटाः सम्भ्रमभ्रमन्निलिम्प निर्झरी विलोलवीचि वल्लरी विराजमानमूर्धनि भगद्धगद्धगज्ज्वलल्ललाटपट्टमावते किशोरचन्द्रशेखरे रतिः प्रतिक्षणम् नंदिनी विलास बंधु बंधुरसुरदिगंत संतति प्रमोदमान मानसे कृपा कटाक्ष धोरणी निरुद्ध दुर्धरापदे क्वचित् दिगंबरे मनो विनोद मेतु वस्तुनि जटाभुजंग पिंगल स्फुरत्फणामणि प्रभा कदंब कुंकुमद्रव प्रलिप्त दिग्वधूमुखे मदांग सिंधुर स्फुरत्वगुत्तरीय मेधुरे मनो विनोदमद्भुतं बिभर्तु भूत भर्तरी ओम नमः शिवाय सदा शिवं भजाम्यहं सदा शिवं भजाम्यहं ॐ नमः शिवाय
30 out of 50.
నువ్వు రోజు డాన్స్ క్లాస్కి వెళ్తున్నావు కదా?
From tomorrow, no dance.
When the barrier between dreams and reality crumbles, the roar isn't external, it's the silence scattering inside.
प्रेशर कुकर जैसे सर की बच जाए ना सीटी तब तक मार रट्टा मार।
ओ पटक पटक के सर गिरा दे नॉलेज की दीवार, रट्टा मार रट्टा मार।
चढ़ जाए जो बुखार कॉफी से तू उतार, खिस खिस के भेजा कर ले तेज धार यार। रट्टा मार ओ रट्टा मार रट्टा मार रट्टा मार। ओ भूल जाए एवरेस्ट चढ़ जा तू किताबों के पहाड़ 100 बार। रट्टा मार ओ टक टक ब्रेन को तोड़ा उसको चाबुक मार जोरदार। रट्टा मार डर के मिलेगा क्या लेगा क्या तू उखाड़, कट कट के पी जा टॉनिक जीता यार। रट्टा मार ओ रट्टा मार रट्टा मार रट्टा मार। At the end of the day, ऊपर तेरे
लटकी है परफॉर्मेंस की तलवार,
ऐसी दरिया है ये रिमेम्बर कर ले, जो डूबे वो ही होता है पार। जो भी आए यहाँ पे उसको चांस एक मिलती है, हर नजर की यहाँ पे सोचो एक मंजिल ही है। मौका मिले तो खोना नहीं, के आएगा ना ये बार बार। धक्का मार जोर से धक्का मार दिल से धक्का मार धक्का मार। हो मार ले रट्टा हो जा तैयार, ना छोड़ कसम तू कोई
चल मार ले बाजी मार। అసలు ఈ ఆరాధకి ఏమైంది? సరిగ్గా మాట్లాడట్లేదు, తినట్లేదు.
తన ఫ్యూచర్ గురించి ఆలోచిస్తేనే భయం వేస్తుంది.
कब से मैं रहा बेगुनाह सहता, मैं रहा बेजुबां कब से मैं रहा बेगुनाह सहता, मैं रहा।
Down the dum 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 down, daga down the dum 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 down, down the dum 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 down, daga down the dum 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 down, down the dum down the dum 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 down the dum down, down the dum down the dum 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 down the dum down, down the dum 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 down, daga down the dum 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 down, down the dum 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 down, daga down the dum 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 down, down the dum down the dum 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 down the dum down, down the dum down the dum 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 down the dum down. Hey, ज्ञानी के अंदर से निकाले गवार, चुटकी में सुअर को बना दे सुनार, जोगी भी बचना पाए ऐसी इसकी मार, प्यारे सातों समुंदर तक बिछाए बाजार, जग चंगा जग चंगा जग से पहले बंदे जाग, वक्त से पहले बंदे जाग, जाग वक्त से पहले बंदे जाग, वक्त से पहले बंदे जाग, वक्त से पहले बंदे जाग। देखो ये चेहरा जन्नतों के ये धंधे, मन के मन में वो सुनी मैना कब से तेरे को पुकारे।
Your daughter is not distracted, she is divided. When she dances, she leads. When she feels pressured, she hides. Education is not choosing between marks and passion, it is learning balance. Trust us.
ఒక విత్తనం మొలకెత్తడం సరికొత్తగా గమనించుదాం, నిలువెత్తుగా తల ఎత్తడం నేర్పేందుకదే తొలి పాఠం. మునివేళ్లతో మేఘాలనే మీటేంతగా ఎదిగా మనం పసివాళ్లలా ఈ మట్టిలో ఎన్నాళ్ళిలాగా పడి ఉంటాం. ఉనికి మన కనురెప్పల్లో వెలిగిద్దాం రంగుల స్వప్నం, ఇదిగో నీ దారిటు ఉందని సూర్యుడుని రమ్మంటాం. జాగో జాగో రే జాగో జాగో, జాగో రే జాగో జాగో, జాగో రే జాగో, జాగో జాగో రే జాగో జాగో, జాగో రే జాగో జాగో, జాగో రే జాగో.
Welcome to the Annual Day Celebrations 2026 of Sloka International School. Here, students are not asked to choose between talent and academics. They are guided to balance both. Tonight, we celebrate one such journey, a student who proved that dedication to art can rise alongside academic strength. And now we invite our respected Principal Ma'am to announce the Cultural Excellence Award 2026.
The Cultural Excellence Award goes to Aradhya. Aradhya? Where's Aradhya?
Aradhya. Now we request Aradhya's parents to please come on stage. Everyone, please, a huge round of applause to the proud parents.
And for academic excellence improvement, she has shown remarkable growth and tremendous progress compared to before. You chose balance. We showed you the path.
We wanted success, but the school helped us to build a complete human being. Thank you, ma'am.
आजा आजा जिंद शामी आने के तले, आजा जरी वाले नीले आसमाने के तले। आजा आजा जिंद शामी आने के तले, आजा जरी वाले नीले आसमाने के तले। सच्ची मैंने जान दवाई है, नच नच कोयलों पे रात बिताई है। अखियों की नींद मैंने फूकों से उड़ा दी, गिन गिन तारे मैंने उंगली जलाई है। आजा आजा जिंदे शामी आने के तले, आजा सारी तारे नीले आसमान के तले। शम्पेन come with it, के तले, आजा जरी और नीले आसमान के तले। जय हो आजा जिंदे शामी आने के तले, आजा
हरी बारी नीले आसमां के तले। जय हो शपथ जय हो गाने दे जय हो गाने दे जय हो रे तू भी जय हो जय
Thank you for the beautiful school, sir.
दवाई है नच नच कोयलों पे रात बिताई है, अखियों की नींद मैंने फूकों से उड़ा दी, गिन गिन तारे मैंने उंगली जलाई है।
आजा आजा जिंदे शामी आने के तले, आजा सारी बारी नीले आसमान के तले। शपथ जय हो गाने दे जय हो गाने दे जय हो रे तू भी आजा जरी और नीले आसमान के तले। जय हो जय हो Jai Hind! Can we all... Okay, let me take a privilege to honor all the dignitaries on the stage. Every child, every student, every teacher, they have given tremendous support to showcase this rising talent. This is our first year. It's been an ultimate hit, blockbuster performance. Shloka, we Shloka family have proved that. Hip hip! Hip hip! Twinkle, twinkle, little star, Shloka is superstar. Well, now over to the script which I have prepared, which has been great. This preparation of annual day has not been easy task. It's been a great opportunity for our young talents, for young kids to showcase their talent. Respected chief guest, thanks for giving his time. It's a privilege. Now me, Chandrika Saisri, as an academic in charge, first and foremost will heartfully thank our management, our MD sir, chairman sir, ED sir for giving this wonderful opportunity for Shlokites. Okay, the power is on for this successful milestone, and it is really a blockbuster performance. And thanks to our parents. Can we all do a big ode to their patience? Woo-hoo! To our parents, thank you for your trust. Thanks for your partnership. Thanks for accepting our extended timings. Thanks for accepting every change we have made. Thanks for every nook and corner which you have supported. Yes, it is possible only because of you. And nevertheless, our teachers, you are the silent pillars for the performance tonight. Your dedication transformed all our children who are naughty cutie have become super cool, disciplined guys, and they were supporting each other entire performance. They were quickly changing. They were on their toes. Beat Aradhya, beat the last line, last performer. Everybody was giving their soul in the performance. And take a bow to all the students and take a bow to all teachers. It's been great, and this Arohan is not possible without you. And next, special appreciation to our academic team, admin team, coordinators, volunteers, everybody. You have been the backbone. You are the spine. Without you, nothing is possible. So thank you for all the support which you have given. Tonight, it's not just an event, it is growth, it is rising, it is touching the sky. And yes, each of us have various ways of touching the sky, and this shloka has did this in its way. Every child, without fear, encountered the stage and showed up their performance with lots of grace. Thank you, Shlokites. Thank you, parents. Thank you, management. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Jai Hind. Requesting all our students to please follow your class teachers, go, unpack your belongings, and you will be submitting to your teachers. Yes, I'm sorry. Yes, we will be going after the school song. Okay?
We are the Slokas to change the world. We are the Slokas to change the world. We are the sunshine, we are the future. We have the power to change the world. We have the strength, we have the knowledge. We have the wisdom to change the world. We are the Slokas to change the world. We are the Slokas to change the world. We will be helpful, we will be kind, we will be human to change the world. We think big, we aim high,
we shall achieve all our dreams. We have values, we have respect, we have love to change the world. We are the smartest, we are the happiest, we are the slow guys to change the world. We are the slow guys to change the world. We are the slow guys to change the world.
All of you will be going down class-wise. Shall I? Hello. Parents, requesting you all to please wait for 15 to 20 minutes. Students will go to their classes, change their costumes.
The skeleton of our Arohan, the backbones be it. Here we have a beautiful felicitation on it. Firstly, when we honor, it is about the seeds of aspiration. Let me call upon the brainchild of Arohan, none other than Mr. Shivakant. Shivakant sir, our dubbing director, he has been the soul of Arohan. Thank you for all the nights which you have worked for Arohan. Thank you for your creativity. Thanks for your voice coordination, Narad. And you have been a part of Shloka family. It is always an honor to be with you, to work with you. Shloka enjoys every moment, respects every moment which you have spent for our students, for our school. Can we have our CMO Arun sir onto the stage? Shivakant sir, thank you for all the support you have given. Thanks is a small word. Moving on, we have our V9 team representatives. Can we have Sumitra ma'am here? Vijay and Sumitra ma'am here. The V9 team has been our technical coordination. Their entire timely support and smooth execution ensured everything ran seamlessly and in fact easily. We sincerely thank them for invaluable contribution and conviction towards our school. We value it, we respect it. Here we have our Praveen, Mr. Praveen, who has captured every smile, every emotion and every proud moment. Thank you, Mr. Praveen. Your photographs are the memories which we are creating for years, and that is the beautiful celebration which we are having. Thank you, Mr. Praveen Garu. Praveen Garu, over to the stage. And next, we have our Sai, dance master, with his wonderful moves and enthusiasm, motivated our children, tiny tots, to make it easy for their annual celebration. Sai sir, your dedication during rehearsals truly reflected your enthusiasm towards the dance. We appreciate your vibrant spirit and hard work. Thank you, Sai sir. And next, moving on, we have a Shloka family member, Vishwanath. Mr. Vishwanath, thanks for the discipline, thanks for the grace. Yes, we can hear the cheer. His sincere practice and focus has been evident. We appreciate your wonderful contribution, Mr. Vishwanath. Thank you, sir. Thanks for all the grace and beauty you have added like an icing of cake. Can we have one more important person from B9 who have contributed a lot with their dedication for the seamless performance of our students, from stage to the sound, everything. Thank you, Mr. Shravan. Well, we have Mr. Suman, a Shloka family member. Thank you, Suman sir. Thanks for every soul and harmony music which you have given for our annual day. Echoes will definitely echo long life. His musical support has been beautifully elevated every performance. Oh yeah, thank you guys. We sincerely thank you for your melodious contribution, Suman sir. Moving on, we have Srijita ma'am. Your elegance and expressive performance captivated audience, and dedication towards the dance performances. Thank you, Srijita. Yes. Thank you, Srijita ma'am. You nailed today. It's all your day. Next we have Priya ma'am. Priya ma'am, thank you for your color and vibrance and all the contributions you have done in the sphere of art and craft. Let me call upon Vijay and Sumitra. Welcome sir. Your support and smooth execution has ensured everything runs seamlessly. We sincerely thank your support from Shloka.
సుమిత్ర మ్యామ్, మేము మిమ్మల్ని మన్నెగూడలో కూడా ఫెలిసిటేట్ చేద్దామని అనుకున్నాము, అప్పుడు మీరు రాలేకపోయారు. సో మన్నెగూడ నుంచి కూడా థ్యాంక్స్ ఇప్పుడే. థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్.
And over to Anil sir, your energy and coordination, though at last moment, helped a lot. Thank you, Mr. Anil. Yeah, little more energy. Come on, guys. Yeah, little more. Volume. Upper.
Shweta ma'am is not at all audible.
We applaud your contribution. Yes, we all are one family. Priya ma'am, thanks for all smiley emojis. Thanks for all the Shivji's contributions which you have done. You have brought smile in the audience face and children face. Thank you for everything. Can we have all Manekura team for one group photo, please? Okay. It is Dharma Sankatam for me. However, I'll take a call here with all wide heart, with love. Let me take a moment to call upon Nidhi ma'am and Shabnam ma'am. Your one-stop solution for all the problems. Yeah, noted, accepted. Please. Lizzie ma'am, Shabnam ma'am. Words fall short if I would like to describe your contributions. So, we have little standing ovation. Yes, someone could capture that moment as well. Shloka is incomplete without these pillars. Thank you for everything, for all the contributions you have done.
group photo with our Managura team. By the time the Managura team comes over here, we'll have the core team. You will keep your goodies there only. Only you people will come here for the group photo. Only you people. Khali Chetulito, you will be coming on stage. Please. Rajkumari ma'am, please come on stage. First we'll have the core team. After that we'll have my dearest teachers also. Little more faster.
Edmund team, if you're here, please do join for a picture. Edmund team, please come backstage. Edmund team.
Before that, all the teachers from Managura. Krishnath sir, Edmund also, Jitin sir, Anil sir, Suman sir, Priya ma'am, Shubhangi ma'am, Sujan sir, Santosh Reddy sir. Am I missing anyone? Anybody else remaining from Managura? After this, we'll have the admin team of Tupugura. Admin team of Tupugura, if anybody is missing, please call them. All the admin team of Managura, you are requested to come near the stage. All the stage. PSR sir! PSR sir! Sir, we need your support. Urgent work, sir.
Edmund team, Bhagat, Sidram, please come on stage. Pieros are not here. Pieros, all my Pieros. Quickly, nurse ma'am.
Please drop a message to the teachers. The moment they finish handing over the students, they're supposed to come here.
She's gone. First.
I should really congratulate all of you for the efforts today. The program was really a success because of the contribution of each one of you. It wouldn't have been possible if any one of us wouldn't have done the part of the work which you are supposed to do. Let it be starting with Nurse Ma'am or Bhavna or Kamar, starting with everyone over here. It's a pure group work that is visible. Let's all clap for them once again. Managura team, you all can clap for them. Keep up the good work. Yeah, we are. over, I would like to call the backbone of all the visuals that were present over here. Can I call our multitasker Bhagat on stage for the felicitation? Let's all join our hands to felicitate Bhagat. PSR sir, your felicitation is pending. We are waiting for you. PSR sir, your shawl and memento are waiting over here. We request you to come near the stage. PSR sir, ఒక ముఖ్య గమనిక, శ్లోక ఇంటర్నేషనల్ స్కూల్ తుక్కుగూడలో PSR సార్ ఎవరికైనా ఎక్కడైనా కనిపిస్తే ఆయన దయచేసి స్టేజ్ దగ్గరికి తీసుకురావాల్సిందిగా వీఆర్ రిక్వెస్టింగ్. Maniguda team can come on stage and wish sir. Can I request Arun sir to please take over?
Sir, let me take the opportunity to speak in Telugu, sir, so to express my feelings. So first of all, here from Maniguda, all the coordinators and in charges are there with their beautiful greeting cards. Once again, congratulations, sir. మీ 30 వసంతాల వైవాహిక జీవితం ఈనాటి ఎందరో యువతి యువకులకి ఆదర్శప్రాయం. ఒక ఇంటి పెద్ద కొడుకు లేదా ఒక ఇంటి పెద్ద తన యొక్క కష్టాన్ని, తన యొక్క శ్రమని మిగతా సభ్యులకు తెలియకుండా తన ముందు నిలబడి తన ఇంటిని అలాగే తనతో పాటు తన కుటుంబ సభ్యులందరినీ ఏ విధంగా ముందుకు నడిపిస్తారో అలాగా మీరు ఇంత పెద్ద వ్యవస్థల్ని అదే చిరునవ్వుతో నడిపిస్తున్నారు. దాని సీక్రెట్ ఖచ్చితంగా వీణా మేడం గారని మా అందరికీ తెలుసు. సో మీ ఇద్దరి ఆశీర్వాదం వల్ల శ్లోక విద్యా సంస్థలు ఈనాడు ఇంతమందికి ప్రత్యక్షంగా పరోక్షంగా భవిష్యత్తును అందజేస్తున్నాయి. సో ఈ సంతోషం మా అందరి మధ్య ఇలాగే కలకాలం కొనసాగాలని, ఇక్కడున్న మా అందరికీ మిమ్మల్ని ఆశీర్వదించేంత వయసు అనుభవం లేదు కాబట్టి మీ యొక్క ఆశీర్వాదం, మీ యొక్క అనుభవం మా అందరికీ మా జీవితంలో ముందుకు సాగడానికి సపోర్ట్ చేయాలని కోరుకుంటున్నాం సార్.